Will I get enough time to go for a flight before you're ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Definitely.
Then we'll do that maiden, then I'll get you to, then I'll re-maiden my little plunge jet here.
Oh yes.
After I put some more up in it.
Cool. I'm excited.
It's either gonna fly or it's gonna crash. Might even do both.
The maiden of the baby blender.
Yeehaw! Hope it goes as well as my first baby blender. Does that rudder look perfect?
Elevator.
Yeah, it's perfectly straight.
Ailerons look.
Right turn, left turn, up, down, and yeah, left, yeah, right.
Yep.
Cut down the chatter.
You won't hear it in the air.
Alright, here we go.
Might want to give yourself lots of runway. Oh, I almost ran into something.
Huh?
I almost ran into something.
That's a little long. Hope the wheels are big enough.
I might have to hold the tail for you till you can prop up.
I don't
Maybe.
think so.
We'll see. We'll see what happens if it wants to nose over or not.
Oh.
What?
Elevator and ailerons on low rate. Oh boy. I'm nervous. It's so pretty, I don't want to break it. Holy fuck.
Touchy?
Yeah.
Need more expo or lower rates.
Gotta get that nose down. There. That's a little better with the nose down. Yeah, her tail heavy. Battery's got to go more forward. But that's okay. I'm gonna fly her like this for now. Alright, see if
I can't see ya because the sun.
Pass by us here. Still a little tail heavy.
Yeah, you're saying it was. Can't move the battery any forward though, can you?
I can go a hair more.
Will that make the difference, you think?
Well, I'll adjust the elevator too, right? That's all I can do.
Yeah, it flies.
Oh.
Oh. Careful.
Nose crazy. Nose up. She flies pretty well. I'm a little touchy on the ailerons. I gotta turn that right down, I think. I try a roll, do I dare?
I don't know, do you?
When she's this touchy?
No.
I'm going to.
That was like a barrel
Oh,
roll.
that was weird. Yeah.
It didn't look very good.
She yawed way more than I planned. That's alright, I'm not doing another one. Alright, I'm bringing her in, hopefully.
I know one thing, it's easy to see on the camera.
Is it?
Yeah, because it shows up.
Oh.
You might want to take the other runway.
Huh?
You want maybe take the other runway?
Yeah, you're right.
Well, either way, where you're standing, you can take either one.
Yeah.
Because you can line yourself up for both. Oopsie!
Oopsie! It's alright, I'll take it.
It survived.
I'll take it.
Whew.
You're in the sun. There you go. Whew. I've got no more forward on the battery, that's it.
Yeah, let's say,
I'm gonna need some weight in that nose.
yeah, you don't got much room for weights either. Well, you got a little bit.
Yeah.
Right down in there. There's some weight. Not a whole lot of room.